Hey guys, this is Scott, and I have something really crazy, really cool. This is something on Mercury. This is a giant arch next to a crater. Now, when I say giant arch, I mean big. You know how big the tallest building in the world is? Neither do I. It's way bigger. I'm talking 50 to 100 times bigger than that. This is between 7 and 10 kilometers tall. I'm talking Stargate, guys. This is really, really huge. And it's right here, this silvery object here. It's very, very reflective. It's not built straight and solid like ours. It's a little bit wavy as it's made. And maybe it's that way because of age. Maybe it's that way because it's supposed to blend into the environment. But it looks like there's a black step here and a black step here in front of it for symbolic reasons. Also, this shadow over here has 6 sides, and I'll show you that 6-sided shadow in just a second. Here it is. Nope, that's the other building of the area, but it's still really kind of cool, kind of strange. And okay, look at the arch here. I colored the arch blue so you could see it, and I believe they use the arch as a gateway for ships coming in. It's so big, ships could actually pass inside, be scanned 100%, and be scanned for what? Why do they scan us when we're going through a TSA? It's just they do it for their own safety concerns, for other people's safety concerns. And then the ship probably flies into this open area. I believe it goes to an underground base over here. But here's a closer up version, and you see this is the actual ruler. It says 5 km. 5 km, guys. And this would go at least 2 of these to reach the top part here, but to reach here, maybe 1 3/4. So that's just kind of extraordinary. So let me show you the original map. Okay guys, what you're looking at is UFO Sightings Daily, my world famous website. It's been in Time Magazine, CNN, more than I could even count and even remember. So it is just kind of cool. You can Google it all you want. Come down here, click on this link right here. It will take you directly to see the giant map of planet Mercury, and the Archway is here. There is a 10 km symbol down here. Let's zoom in a little bit. It is a little bit out of focus, the map. You got to use a program to focus it. You can see it says 5 km, and this is clearly higher than 5 km. So I would say 10 km actually. I'm saying 7 on my website just to be conservative about it. But you also see that there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines. It's a 6-sided entrance here to an underground base. So that's why I believe this is a Stargate to go into the underground base. That's my assumption there. Let me add a little bit more light to this. I'm using iMac, so I'm going to try to make it more visible to us because it's a very dark map. And over here you can kind of see, let's make it lighter again. There's a strange structure here, and almost like a pyramid structure on the side, and look at that huge shadow it's leaving. And there's a tower over here. This tower is pretty big. This is 10 km. That looks like it's about 9 km tall. If you zoom out and look around a little bit, you see some strange things inside these craters. Doesn't take much except for patience to do this, that and an internet connection. So feel free to check them out for yourself and see what you find in the craters around here, and tell me your thoughts about this. Why are those objects that way? What the heck is this? Guys, do you see this black area, the shadows here? This isn't shadow here. This isn't shadow. This is something else. This is black structures. You know, the non-reflective black structures I told you about? Well, there's a black structure here too. Can't get it bigger, and I don't have it. I didn't see that before, so mostly I'm just focused on this. Guys, I found this, so science says I can name it. I'm going to call this Waring's Gate. Waring's Gate. It looks like a Stargate to me. I believe it's used that way. Let me make it more original in darkness. And I just think it's kind of extraordinary. This 10 km tall Stargate exists out there, and NASA and other other astronomy sites just ignore it. They don't want us to know the truth that's out there. Okay, like and subscribe. I'll make more discoveries and let you know about more UFO sightings very soon. Thank you very much.